you enter that in, all you got to do is copy and paste this and put this into Claude. It's actually quite simple. So here I'll go ahead and copy all this. Okay. And then I'll copy this and let's head over to Claude. Then I'll paste this in. Okay, now there's one last thing that we should do before we send this off to Claude is let's add in our own images. Now I've learned that Claude is not the best with actually taking images from the internet and putting it in your project. It's much more efficient if you just give it its images. Now this website right here is called unsplash.com. I've been using it for years. I think many of you guys watching this have used it for a long time. And I just simply typed in real estate. And all you gotta do is just go to this website and just click on download, and that's it. You download the image. Now I wanna get the best images possible. So these are high-res images created by photographers. So I'm gonna go ahead and download a bunch of these images. Oh, this one is pro, but yeah, we can just use other ones. So here I'll download this one. And there are thousands of images for you to download. So right here, I'll click on load more. And as you can see, we have really nice images that look like this. So I'll go ahead and click on download, okay? And then also download this one right here. Now, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna minimize this. And I went ahead and I created a folder with all my images. And all I gotta do is double click on this. And then I will take all these images and just drag and drop it. That's it, drag and drop, okay? And below that, I'll just put in, I added my own images, right? I added my own images. Apply these to the websites. Now there's one more thing I want to add below that is I want to add the image for the home page. And this one right here is the one I want to add. So I'm gonna also put, add the image Las Vegas House Web P as my landing page. And this is the one I want to use as my landing page. So also drag and drop that. And once you just upload your images and you add in this prompt, all you got to do now is just run this prompt. So right here, I'll click on run this prompt. And boom, after waiting about 10 minutes, it now generated this really nice looking AI website. Now, the only thing I did extra was I added my own logo. So I just grabbed like my logo, I uploaded it, and I said, add this logo to my website. Now you can see right here in the back, we have our landing image. It looks fantastic. And scrolling down, you're going to see that it actually applied all the images to our websites. Now, if you actually ask it to do it like on its own, like saying, oh, go search Unsplash, it really provides a lot of errors and doesn't work that well. So I do recommend to upload your own images. So we have all of our pages right here. We have the About Us page, right? It looks great. Our services page looks really cool. We got all of our images here. It looks great. We have our listings page, which of course we can adjust here with Claude. And then we have our contact page with our contact information.